The structure of the world itself is such. It functions on natural law, and the natural law is a powerful regenerative process. There's a process of regeneration that continues and grows and is endless. It's absolutely endless if everyone agrees to the law and follows the law. Agrees to the law and follows the law. Agrees to the law and follows the law. But if you challenge the law and you think you're going to change the law, then you're bound to failure. And in that failure will be a lot of pain, because the natural law has no mercy. It is only the law. It is only the law. It is only the law.
Earth was never meant to be a slave planet. You were never meant to be slaves. And you should absolutely resist. 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 This is not about politics. This is about control. This is about control. It's about you. It's about me. It's about us. The world politically is changing dramatically. We are moving towards a fascist world government. Individual liberties and rights are disappearing all the time. We have a world financial crisis. All of these things are done as a matter of control. Do not ever, ever surrender your freedoms or liberties to government. It's too self-serving, and it doesn't create anything but laws that restrict our freedoms.
The cities and the culture that we're living in now is totally cut us off from the land, from what our real essence is, which is nature.
We cannot allow a handful of people to decide the direction of all of humanity. They are only going to be self-serving. This is our responsibility. we realize that the system we have isn't working. It's coming apart. And we're blessed that it hasn't happened all at once. We can take this gradually, but it is happening. Okay? The blinds are being lifted. People are coming out of their comas. And this is what it's about. And it's happening in all walks of life. The world is not going to end, but it is going to change, and it has to. And it's going to change for the better. But we need to be the driving force of that change. Humanity has to be the driving force of that change, not government. This is all about us. We are the ones calling this forward. We are the ones who have asked for this. We are the ones who are making this change ourselves, within ourselves. We are the ones. We can change this so fast, it'll blow your minds. Because clearly what we're doing and what we have created for ourselves isn't working. It has only detached us so much, not only from the earth, but from who we actually are as souls, as beings. And the reason